Today we're talking about how to make your seams a little bit stronger and a little bit more secure. So we're going to talk about making a reverse or locking off at the end of your seams. So I'm taking two pieces of fabric. One is a sample that I've used previously, so I'm just using up some scraps of fabric so we're not so wasteful. So I've got my two edges of my fabric lined up together along here. I'm popping it underneath my presser foot. I'm lowering my presser foot. So we're going to do a reverse. So what we're looking for is this symbol on your machine. It looks like a little U-turn symbol if you're driving a car here in Australia. Not sure if that works for other countries as well. But we're going to start with our straight stitch. So we're just going to start stitching. You can see my threads are bunching up. So I'm just going to pull those out of the way so that they just don't muck up our demonstration. So I've got my threads out of the way, and now we're going to reverse. So mine, you can see, automatically does it. If I hold it down, it does more. It's different on different machines. So I'm going to come forwards, and then traditionally at the end of the seam we would do our reverse again. Ideally we'd like to reverse once or twice. So it's like, sort of two stitches. We want to try and keep it small, but we want to sort of do it. And you can see on the actual sample here at the top where I did some more reversing, it's a little bit thicker, and here at the bottom it's only got some smaller ones. What it helps does is it makes our seams stronger, particularly for garment sewing, so it's quite a nice little thing to do beginning and end to make your garments last longer, which is sort of our goal. Hopefully that helps out if you're getting started, knowing how to make your seams stronger. So just don't forget, reverse at the beginning and the end of your seams.